Hello everyone, the last part of our Rspl-1. So question number 30 until 29 I had done in the previous video. Question number 30, in the given figure PD is parallel to BC and AD by DC is equal to CE by BE. Prove that PE is parallel to AC. State the theorem used here. So we will do it. I have written here given and to prove here. So first I have written here AD by DC equal to CE by BE. I have given as equation 1, and then we'll go with this part here. Then PD is parallel to BC. This part is given again. So PD is parallel to BC means we'll take this triangle here. In triangle ABC, just give a check here what is given. AD by CD, so half and half is given, so we will also go with the same thing. Then here AP by PB equal to AD by DC. AP by PB is equal to AD by CD. So here we will write this as equation 2. Why we wrote this? It is basic proportionality theorem. We used because it is parallel. We took sides are proportional BPT. Then from equation 1 and 2 you can see, from equation 1 and 2 here we can just see both are equal to AD by DC, AB by AD by DC. So this if I cancel, not actually cancel, but these two will be equal. So here it will be CE divided by BE is equal to AP by PB. Both are equal to AD by DC. So we will check here what we got. CE by BE is equal to AP by, okay. From here we start this way. So therefore PE is parallel to AC. So therefore I will directly write it. PE is parallel to AC. They also asked us to state the theorem which we have used over here. So we are going to use converse. This is converse of basic proportionality theorem we use to prove this. So do state it. You can check the textbook. Statement is given in that. When sides are proportional in a triangle, then the line joining the midpoints will be parallel to the third side. Next question. 31st question. If median of the following distribution is 46, find the missing frequency P and Q. So this is the data given over here. Write it vertically. It will be easy for you. And then total is given, which will take it as N. Now we'll have to find out CF for median. This is the only column required. Write this as it is. This plus this 42. 42 plus P, 42 plus 65, 107 plus P, then 107 plus P, these are variable, we don't know the value, then 107 plus 25, 132 plus P plus Q, this will be 150 plus P plus Q. Okay, now this part we know that sum of the frequency will be equal to the last one. So here first I will write it. 230 is equal to 150 plus P plus Q. So P plus Q will be 230 minus 150. P plus Q is equal to 80. Make this as equation 1. Then what are the required things for us here is N is 230. So here I will make N by 2 will be 230 by 2, that is 115. Now median is given as 46. So median formula L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by frequency into height. Now we'll find out the median class first. Since median is given as 46, so usually what we do is we take n by 2 and check in the CF column where it falls. But here finding 115 in this range, it is difficult. So 46 is already been given. So 46 falls in this class interval. So we'll take this part as our median class. Do box this. It will help you all. So how do we select? The previous one of the median class is CF. This will be the frequency and this is the lower limit of the median class. By substituting here 40 plus n by 2 we have already done and got it 115. CF is 42 plus P, put it in a bracket, binomial divided by 65. Height here will be 50 minus 40, 10. So here we'll send 40 that side first, best way to do it. So 46 minus 40 is equal to 115. This one minus 42 minus P. Do take care of this minus sign. Minus 42 minus P and then divided by, you can cancel it in the previous step itself. 10, 5, 2 times, 5, 1, 13 times. Here we get 6 is equal to 115 minus 42, 73 minus P. Then we have here 13 bracket 2. So 6 into 13 divided by 2 equal to 73 minus P. 39 equal to 73 minus P. Then we will have P equal to 73 minus 39. So P we will get it as 34. So now substitute P equal to 34 in equation 1. So sometimes if at all you get here P plus Q, then you can solve it as a linear equation. But here we got P value directly. So P plus Q is equal to 80. P here is 34 plus Q equal to 80. So Q will be 80 minus 34. So Q will be 46. Thirty-second question. Prove that cot A plus secant B whole square minus tan B minus cosec A whole square equal to 2 times cot A into secant B plus tan B into cosec A. So if we see here, if we take A plus B whole square, 2AB here we can make out. So we will start with A plus B whole square formula. So we will come up with A square plus B square plus 2AB cot A secant B. This minus sign is there, so put bracket here. So this will be A square plus B square minus 2AB. So now we'll bring out all the square things. We will get here cot square A plus secant square B minus tan square AB minus plus minus cosec square A plus 2 cot A. First you can remove, come out of the bracket and then you can rearrange, or this minus and minus plus 2 tan B and cosec A. So here we will arrange this one. Cot and cosec we have a form identity, minus cosec square a, tan this one plus secant square b minus tan square b. I will take 2 common out. So this is what our final answer should be, plus tan b cosec a. So later on you can do it. The problem here, I will group this two, group this two. We have identity for cosec square a minus cot square a equal to 1. Here it is reverse of that. So we will take minus sign common out and make it as cosec square a minus cot square a. This already is 1 here, this identity. Then finally 2 cot a secant b plus tan b cosec a. We have to retain this. This is our final. So here we get minus 1 plus 1 plus 2 cot a secant b plus tan b cosec a. So get cancelled. Finally we get 2 cot a into secant b plus tan b. This dot I have not put it, it's understood. So hence proved. We will do the OR question also. So OR question 32, OR question. This is the most interesting question which I have come across in this paper. So let us solve it. Here you can see the sin a plus sin cube a equal to cos square a, and we have to find the value of all these terms are in cos only. So we'll try to convert all these signs into cos. So we might come up to this level. So let us start here. Sin a common out, 1 plus sin square a equal to cos square a. So now we know the connection between sin square and cos square. So sin square we don't want, 1 minus cos square. So I'll put this sin a because it is only sin. I'll keep it as it is. 1 plus 1 minus cos square a equal to cos square a. Then we get here sin a 2 minus cos square a equal to cos square a. Now here I want to remove this sign, but we don't have as in sin and cos relation. Sin square, if this was square, it would be easy for us. So what we'll do, we'll continue with squaring both the sides. So I'll what sin square a, then 2 minus cos square a whole square we have to take. Imagine you are taking a square bracket and a whole square. Square into sin square a, and this bracket square. So this side also cos square a whole square. So what did we do here? By squaring both the sides. Squaring both the sides. Here this one sin not required. So I will make this as 1 minus cos square a, and this is 2a square. See here, a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square. B square is cos a here, minus 2 into 2 cos square a. 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to cos 4a square a. So now we will multiply this each term, 1 minus cos square a. Now that we have removed all the sign, 4 cos square a. This let it be as it is. Let us see how we. I'll multiply binomial multiplication, 1 with all the terms and then this cos with all the terms. You can do along with me, 1 into this plus cos 4a minus 4 cos square a minus 4 cos square A, minus into plus, minus cos square into 4 cos 6A, minus and minus plus, we have here square and square, cos 4, here this 4 is there, 4A equal to cos 4A. Done. When one check, 1 into 4, 1 into this one, 1 into, yeah, then minus cos square into 4, yes, 4, minus into plus, minus, then we have here cos square 4A, acha, this one it is, yeah, this one it is cos square 4A 6, and then this is minus and minus plus 4 cos 4A. Okay, fine. So let's now group the things over here. 4 here cos 4A 6, 4 I will write it, cos 4A and cos 4A I will cancel this one, minus 8 cos square A, this one and this one, minus cos 6A plus 4 cos 4A equal to 0. We will send all this other side. 4 equal to 8 cos square A plus cos 6A minus 4 cos 4A is equal to 4. Let us check we have come across with the same value or not. Yes, we have cos 6A, cos 6A, and minus 4 cos 4A, yes, minus 4 cos 4A, and then 8 cos square A, 8 cos square A. So therefore I will put it in the format what they have given, cos 6A minus 4 cos 4A plus 8 cos square A is equal to 4. This is the value of it is 4. Next, 33rd question. Find the mean of the following distribution. So this is a simple question. I have done it by a direct method. So CIF x midpoint 0 plus 6 by 2, 6 plus 12 by 2. So the average class mark, then f into x, here mean formula summation of fx divided by n, group data. So you get it 14.5. 34th question. Here two pillars of equal height stand on either side of the road, which is 150-meter wide. From a point on the road between the pillars, the angles of elevation of the top of the pillar are 60 and 30 respectively. Find the height of the pillars and distance of the point from the pillars. This is similar to the textbook sum NCRT, where 80 centimeter it is given there. Here, so I have drawn this one. Let AB and CD be two pillars of equal height h, and BD is given as 150 meter. So I'll take this as h, and this I'll make it as this is 150 meter. So BM, if we take here x, this will be 150 minus x. M I have drawn near to this pole. So this angle, near angle will be greater, far angle will be smaller. The angle of elevations are given 60 and 30. So we see here two right triangle. So we'll pull out two right triangles from this theta opposite by here adjacent side. So in triangle ABM, we have tan 60 equal to AB divided by BM, that is tan 60 equal to h divided by x, cross multiply root 3x is equal to h. We'll make this as equation 1. Then in triangle, the other triangle here CMD, it will be tan 30 equal to here CD divided by MD. So 1 by root 3 is equal to CD is height, MD is 150 minus x. So only one change, one cross multiplication. Let it be as it is, h equal to. So when we compare here equating equation 1 and both are equal to h. So we'll take it as equating equations 1 and 2. So we get root 3x is equal to 150 minus x divided by root 3. Cross multiply 3x root 3 into root 3, root 9 3, then 150 minus x, 3x plus x is equal to 150, 4x is equal to 150, x is equal to 150 by 4, cancel 2 times 75, 75 by 2 is 37.5 meters. So here this one BM is 37.5, then we will get here, right here BM is equal to x, that is 37.5. MD is equal to 150 minus x, that is 150 minus 37.5 will be equal to 112.5 meters. Box this to highlight your answer. They also ask us to find the height of the pillar. Here the question, they ask us to find height of the pillar. So we will substitute here. This would be easier for us. We'll substitute x as, look, x is 37.5. So h equal to, so here equation 1 root 3x equal to h. So root 3 will take 1.73 into x we got 37.5 into equal to height. So we will get here when multiplied 64.875 meter. Height of each pole is 64.875 meter. 35th question. Find volume of the recycled material used in making a solid as shown in the figure here. It is given that diameter of the cylinder is 20. Here it is given. And diameter of each of the two equal conical cavities 10 centimeters. So the radius of this conical cavity or cone will be 5. So what we have to do here is volume, we have to find out volume of the recycled material. So just check out, the conical cavity has been removed. So here the material is not there, it is hollow. So when it comes to volume, I always say to my students, volume is subtraction, area will be addition. So this is volume, we have to subtract volume of cylinder minus 2 times volume of the cone. So radius we need for cylinder, radius and height. For volume here also radius and height. Radius here is 10 centimeter because diameter is given, and height of the cylinder here it is 24. Height of each cone is 12 centimeter. So this is 24 centimeter. Radius of this is 5 and this is 12 centimeter. So what would be the volume here? Volume of recycled material is equal to volume of cylinder minus 2 into volume of cone. So I will take here pi r square h minus 2 into 1 by 3 pi r square h. So let us take pi common out. R of the cylinder 10 into 10 into 24 minus 2 into 1 by 3 pi outside. So R here is 5 into 5 into 12, 3 and 4 times. So this we will take 22 by 7 because they have not mentioned about the pi to be taken as 3.14. So this we get 2400, 200. So final answer 22 by 7. This will be into 2200. So we get 22 into 22, 484 by 7 centimeter cube because it is volume. You can add up, find the decimal value and put it over here. Check out for the decimal value, divide it. It's better to do always one step extra. So work out decimal value and keep it. For the last question, if the equation 1 plus m square x square plus 2mcx plus c square minus a square equal to 0 has equal roots, then show that c square equal to a square 1 plus m square. So first what we'll do here is we will compare this with the standard form of quadratic equation. So standard form of quadratic equation is a x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So what are the coefficient? A is 1 plus m square, x square x square, so a will be this one. Then b is 2mc. C will be the whole thing. This whole thing is the constant. So no variable, we have to take this whole part. Now given here, the equation have equal roots. It has equal roots. So delta will be 0, that is discriminant will be 0. Discriminant formula is b square minus 4ac. So here 0 I will take this one. B here is 2mc whole square minus 4. A is 1 plus m square and c is c square minus a square. Now just give one check here, 2 square. So this 4 we can pull out common. So as of now don't multiply this. 4 m square c square minus 4, in this case 1 into c square, 1 into this a square, m plus m square c square, then minus m square a square. This 4 and this 4, take it common. 0 by 4 will be 0. You can directly write here as 0. Minus into c square will be minus c square. Minus into minus plus a square. Minus into plus minus m square c square. This 4 is not there. Remember 4 and 4 we have taken common out. So minus and minus plus m square a square. So now I think this one and this will get cancelled. We get 0 equal to minus c square a square plus m square a square. So let us check now what is required for us to prove. There is no other step, continued part. C square is equal to a square plus m square. I hope we got it, this one. So c square, send it that side, it will be c square equal to, from these two terms take a square common out, 1 plus m square. Proved. Now for the last question or question, if AD is not equal to BC, then prove that equation a square plus b square x square plus 2 AC plus BDX plus c square plus d square is equal to 0. Has no real roots. So when we compare this with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, so we get here a as, we compare with the standard form, then a will be the coefficient taken over here, c. This whole thing will be c. So we have to show it do not have real roots. So for that, delta should be less than 0 or we should get negative value for no real roots. So this is what we have to prove. So for that we will start with delta discriminant equal to b square minus 4ac. So that here I'll take b square minus 4ac. b here is 2ac plus bd whole square minus 4 into a is a square plus b square into c is c square plus d square. Just squaring here, 2 square 4, this will be a square c square plus b square d square plus 2 ac bd. I took a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4 multiply here a square c square plus this into this into a square d square plus b square c square plus b square d square. So first thing what we'll do here is 4 and 4 will take out common. So 4 common out. Then we'll get this as it is, c square b square d square 2ac bd minus this 4 is out here. So this minus sign minus a square c square minus a square d square. I'm multiplying, imagine here it is 1 because 4 has been taken common. Then all the signs will become minus b square d square. Then what get cancelled? First thing here cancel. What else? Okay. So we get here 4 and in this case 2acbd minus a square d square minus b square c square. We will take minus sign common out from this. We don't have formula for minus a square minus b square plus this one. So we have formula for a square plus b square minus 2ac bd. So this will be, see here, not necessary to do the next part because we already got negative value. So in this minus 4 into anything will be minus only. But AD, in case if they ask you in another way, they have equal roots. So you'll just have to take 0 here and then bring up to point. Here minus BC, this becomes whole square. So delta here we got is less than negative value. This one we got less than 0, that is negative value. Therefore, it has the given equation has no real root. So here we complete our RSPL 1.